I had one worst mindset earlier. Do you know my mindset is if I want to start a hotel. In hotel, what activities are there? Cleaning the tables, serving, bill, money, next cooking, all these things. My personal mindset earlier, immature mindset is in the hotel, how many activities are there? All those activities, owner should be aware. Then only the responsible to start the hotel. This is the mindset what I have. Now I'm feeling a bit guilty to have such type of mindset earlier. Remember this one. Array, I'm the hotel owner, man. What is the need of cooking? What is the need of knowing cooking? Then immediately you ask, Array, suppose one day cook is not coming. You require to do cooking activity like that. I'm the owner, man. My concentration is always on strategies, planning, higher level, not on this bloody cooking. If one cook is not available, I will try for another cook. Or otherwise, instead of maintaining only one cook, I will maintain backup. Even some money problem, even money is going to rise. No problem, expense maybe. But smooth execution by default will be there. So that I can concentrate on higher level activities. Array, sweeper is not coming. If the sweeper is not coming, then I have to sweep. That was my old mindset. Array, sweeper is not coming. Arrange another person. Arrange another sweeper. But you should not do that low level activity. Because your level is, you require to concentrate on higher level things. More productive things. Remember, my mindset shift. You have to be aware. Okay?